Right, good morning. So, 5 o'clock this morning, we all got woke up by the most horrendous wind. It was literally, it sounded crazy. So we've all been up since 5. The weather turned okay, it's been sunny, and then we've just seen all these clouds coming in from the horizon from over near Ait Ben Haddou, which is nuts because we can see it from out there. But I feel like it's the universe telling us to just have a nice chill time because it's been very full on the last few days. So this could actually be a blessing in disguise. So we're gonna have a nice brew and probably sit and watch a few Dexters. Do you reckon, Nick?
Can do, yeah.
I'm a serial killer.
Yeah, why not? On a day like this, just embrace it. Universe is pushing us to have a chill, so I'll listen. The rain is supposed to stop. For the first time ever, BBC Weather's been right. It forecast rain until 3 o'clock this afternoon, so yeah, it looks like we're all in. So everyone's packed up and battened down the hatches, but hopefully the wind won't come in as bad as it was early this morning. Anyway, we're gonna chill. So we've got some serious storm clouds. Everything's going away because that looks gnarly. It was on this day that I found out the sad news about my Uncle Julian. And just as I found out that news, this rainbow appeared over the beautiful Ait Benhaddou.
A legend of a guy. So good morning. Just woken up this morning and you won't believe it, but in the middle of the night it snowed. All around us. And even behind that little camper there. So we're surrounded by snow.
That was a good one.
He's too busy running away from it.
Don't be afraid of the apple. Apple's not gonna hurt you.
I'm stuck in this general area. Okay. If I fuck this up, it's Luke's turn. Hey!
So close. Right. You want me to show you how to do it, Luke? You get one more attempt.
I really want to see one's on fire.
Yeah. Woo!
Empty this.
Replace it.
Yeah. Oh no. That's weird.
I know! It's not empty! We miss Luke and Lauren that much that we had to commemorate their leaving. Right, so we're off into Ait Ben Haddou. We've been parked here for 2 nights, so it's about time we went down and had a nosy in the town, right?
Yeah, I mean we came last year, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, it was so beautiful, we all wanted to do it again.
Yeah.
So
It's magical, especially when there's a rainbow over it. It looked incredible yesterday. So we're going to have a walk into town with all these guys and yeah, take you with us. Let's camp, we're off.
turns out Christopher Nolan was here filming his new film, Odyssey.
So we thought we'd have a go at some acting skills.
So we made it, walking down the river. A few of us got wet feet. Really cool.
Is it pretty, Luna? Is it pretty? So, after a day walking through this river, not through the, well, actually, yeah, through the river, and a day over at Ait Benhaddou, we've come back and what a beautiful skyline. Look at it. The mountains are red. So, so pretty. Oh my God!
Hey, minute. I'm drowning the kids in the bathtub. That's really.
Got some rice, some chicken, brownie. We're currently taking care of Karma. We are still at Ait Benhaddou. We seem to have settled in quite nicely, albeit really cold here. It's actually been really nice just being able to sit still, go out and do some adventuring, come back to camp. Yeah, it's been lush, hasn't it, darling?
That's been amazing.
It's been amazing. So yeah, we're really happy. My lips are so sore. Look, I look like I've got lip liner on. Anyway, I reckon we've planned to possibly move on tomorrow, but we will see. This morning, well actually this afternoon, we sent our washing with Mats and Myrta. They were going to Wazarat to do their washing, so they took ours along with them. It's cost 200 dirham because it is literally a massive bag of washing. It's ridiculous.
We're not done any washing while we've been here. What you know?
I know. The only washing we've done is of underwear and stuff like that, everything else, and a few tops here and there. So yeah, that'll be nice to have some nice new clean clothing once they're back. I reckon they're going to be back when it goes dark though. So brownie's out, but it's a bit wonky. And Nick's onto the egg fried bit of the egg fried rice, chicken fried rice. Smells good. Right, so Matt and Myrta have been in Wazarat all afternoon and they brought us our washing back. Obviously we've started sorting it, but check it out, it all comes in like plastic wrapping. Look at that, all the socks in one bag, all the underwear. It's crazy. Like literally, this is the best way to get your washing done. It cost us 200 dirham. It was a huge bag of washing, but I think 200 dirham we would probably spend when we've got that amount of washing, maybe around 20 to 30 pounds in the UK. And so for the fact that someone's done it all for us, folded it all, put it all in perfect little packages, so I think we'll be doing that again. 100%. Maybe not leave it as long next time, eh?
Definitely.
Yeah. Are you going to refuse to hand wash?
100%.
We've just had a lovely dinner. We had chicken fried rice. It just got wolfed down, so you didn't get to see that, but it was yummy scrummy. I've been doing some editing today. Everyone's having an early night tonight because it's really windy out there and it is bitterly cold. So we're all going to have an early night. I think we're going to watch a bit of Dexter. Well, once we've sorted out all this washing anyway. So catch you tomorrow. So the following morning, we all decided to sit down and discuss what plans we all had going forward.
And around Marrakesh, there are different things that we also want to see.
Yeah.
So we can do Marrakesh and those things around.
But you're just going on the south, on the coast, or are you going to the mountains?
It's so much water.
Yeah, exactly.
Inland to Tafraout and from there explore like mountains and stuff.
To go to this paragliding where I wanted to the Agafay desert.
That'd be interesting.
On me.
Who's wanting to do Marrakesh itself?
Not me.
No, it's about our big happy family staying together.
Yeah.
But I love it how we all are.
Actually, you did do it.
Together. Just like, our plans is this,
happen.
our plans are that. They
We
don't
can
mix.
taste.
What should we do to stay together? I love it.
It is a luxury problem.
So our gender is Vanlifers. Nice.
Right, so it's been decided that we are going to stick together for a little while longer. Everyone held Nick's talking stick and literally went round and says what their plans were for going forward and what they would like to do and what they're not willing to do, things like that. So we all come to the decision that we are going to go to a movie set from the Hills of Eyes. I can't believe we're doing it, and they want to stay overnight there, and I'm like totally freaked out. They want to watch the film on the side of the van. I think I'll be inside watching something like, I don't know, Moana. Anyway, so we're going to do that, and then we've all got some things to do in Ouarzazate. So our thing that we need to do, we need to get our phones updated with internet because it runs out any day. I'm just sort of waiting for the moment when the internet turns off. But luckily we're with everyone else so that we'll be able to find our way. So we've all decided that we're going to head off today all together, and then after Ouarzazate we're going to work our way up, go to... can't remember what the desert's called.
Agafay desert.
And then head towards Marrakesh. Not do Marrakesh because me and Nicola says we don't want to go back in the centre of Marrakesh again. And do the bits and bobs that you can basically do in and around the area. So yeah, we're off from this spot. 4 nights we've been here. That's a pretty long time. I think we're all getting a bit stir crazy. So yeah, last night was a quiet night. Had a really good sleep, and it's time to move on. So come with us on our magical crystal Roman tribe following van convoying journey. Parked just over the way from the Hills of Eyes spot, but we've been moved on after setting up everything and all of that. They've decided that they need us to go now, so we found another spot. Someone's been out on a recce to check it out, so I need to get Luna in the van and we're moving again. Before there wasn't actually a car there, so this car is very kindly moving for us, bless him, so that we can get all the vans in. I'm not sure how easy it's going to be and how much room we're going to have, but we'll squeeze ourselves in, I'm sure. Right, so we've managed to find somewhere else to park, and I was having right kittens when we got here, so I didn't actually film it, but we managed to find a beautiful little spot. Nick's just setting up the fire. This is cool. So we're gonna set up here tonight. Tomorrow is Ouarzazate, so yeah, looking forward to that. Right, here we are, another night time. Another budge on by the police. Apparently we're parked on private land that was bought 2 weeks ago. So from 2 weeks ago, you're no longer allowed to park on this spot. So we've all just packed up. The fire was beautiful and warm and toasty. So yeah, we've now all got to pack up and move on.
Can't park anywhere in this area.
Yeah, we've shown them other park ups and they've said no, you're not allowed to park there.
4 park ups on Park for Night. We're not allowed to use any of them.
So we're heading back to Ait Benhaddou. Oh my days. Right, so yeah, hopefully the police won't turn up again tonight, fingers crossed, at there as well. Ah, dear me, I tell you. we'll be able to have a fire undisturbed one night soon. So, annoyingly, because we're having to move in the dark, it's caused one of the guys, Mats and Murta, they've just drove into a rock, so he's well pissed off, understandably so. But yeah, it's just a really shit situation. We're still waiting for them all because everyone had to reverse out because obviously it was really tight to get in through there. So yeah, it's been a bit shitty, but hey ho, let's go.
We also had damage, had curbed the wheel on a massive rock.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
So it seems we've now got a police escort to take us to where we were. Do you reckon, darling? They were waiting for us, right?
Yeah, they were on the junction where we turned. They were blocking the road. And two of them were stood in the middle of the road with torches.
Crazy. Okay, people, that's it for this week's episode.
Join us next week for more crazy adventures.
We get completely hassled in Ouarzazate.
We retrace old steps.
But end up with the biggest reward of the most awesome park up of the trip.
Don't forget to stay tuned for the bloopers.
Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are.
Only half the world away.
Keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count.
I'm the king of the world!
You don't know what works?
How do you walk normally? That's an ADHD mind where you like think of something and you want to do it and you have to.
We hit them with a stick.
With easy chica pass, we can do it like.
Yeah.
How long does that last for?
So you get up and down.
Come on. You do. Go, go.
Nick, turn the engine off.
I was just thinking it starts.
I thought he was doing his impatient thing then.